In a small town nestled between rolling hills and lush forests, there lived a determined young woman named Ari. Her life was marked by challenges, but her spirit remained unbroken. Ari had always been drawn to the arts with a passion for storytelling that burned brightly within her. She dreamed of becoming a successful author, crafting tales that would captivate the hearts and minds of readers around the world. As Ari embarked on her writing journey, she encountered numerous obstacles. Rejection letters from publishers piled up, each one stinging like a tiny defeat. Yet, Ari refused to succumb to discouragement. Instead, she channeled her frustration into honing her craft, spending countless nights refining her prose and characters. One day, as she strolled through the town's quiet park, Ari met an elderly woman named Mrs. Turner. Mrs. Turner, a retired writer herself, recognized the fire in Ari's eyes. She shared stories of her own struggles and triumphs, emphasizing the importance of perseverance. Inspired by this newfound mentor, Ari vowed to press on, no matter how difficult the path ahead. Ari's breakthrough came unexpectedly when a local literary magazine accepted one of her short stories for publication. The elation was short-lived, however, as a major publishing house showed interest in her work only to back out. Later, undeterred, Ari decided to take matters into her own hands. Armed with determination and a self-published novel, she set out to prove that her words deserved a place on bookshelves. Promoting her book tirelessly, Ari utilized social media, local book clubs, and even organized a community reading event. Slowly but surely, her novel gained traction and positive reviews poured in. The town rallied behind Ari, proud of one of their own for defying the odds. However, success brought its own set of challenges. Ari faced criticism from some quarters and the pressure to produce a follow-up novel weighed heavily on her shoulders. Doubt crept in, threatening to overshadow her accomplishments. Yet, Ari remembered Mrs. Turner's words, "Do not give up." Renewed determination, Ari delved into her next project. This time, she explored deeper themes, drawing inspiration from her own experiences and the rich tapestry of her community. The writing process was arduous, filled with moments of self-doubt and frustration, but Ari persisted, knowing that her journey was about more than just personal success. It was about proving that resilience and passion could overcome any obstacle. As the release date for her second novel approached, Ari couldn't shake the nerves. The town that had once supported her now awaited her next literary offering. The night of the book launch arrived. and the local community center buzzed with excitement. Ari stood before a crowd that included friends, family, and avid readers who had followed her from the beginning. The moment the first copy of her new novel was handed to her, Ari felt a surge of accomplishment. The pages held not just words, but a testament to her refusal to give up. The applause of the crowd echoed through the room, and Ari realized that her journey had come full circle. She had faced rejection, self-doubt, and criticism, yet through it all she had persevered. As Ari signed copies of her books for eager readers, she couldn't help but smile. Her story was not just one of literary success, it was a testament to the power of resilience, determination, and the unwavering belief that, no matter the odds, one should never give up on their dreams. In the wake of her newfound success, Ari decided to pay it forward by mentoring aspiring writers in her community. She hosted writing workshops, shared her experiences at local schools, and became a source of inspiration for those facing their own creative challenges. Ari's journey from aspiring author to a pillar of support in her town resonated with many, reinforcing the idea that every setback is a stepping stone towards something greater. As the seasons changed, Ari continued to expand her literary reach. She collaborated with artists, musicians, and even local businesses to create immersive experiences that brought her stories to life. The once small town became a hub of creativity, and Ari found herself at the heart of this blossoming artistic community. Yet, amidst the accolades and recognition, Ari remained humble. She knew that her success was not just hers alone, it was a collective triumph for the town that had stood by her side. Ari's story became a symbol of resilience, echoing in the minds of dreamers who faced obstacles of their own. In the midst of her literary pursuits, Ari encountered a new challenge, a rare health condition that threatened to derail her ambitions. The news was a shock, but Ari approached it with the same tenacity that had fueled her writing journey. She embraced her vulnerability, sharing her struggles openly with her readers and community. Messages of support flooded in, and a groundswell of love and encouragement surrounded Ari. She used her platform to raise awareness about her condition, turning a personal setback into an opportunity to advocate for others facing similar challenges. Ari's authenticity resonated with people far beyond her town, and she found herself connecting with a global audience. Even in the face of health challenges, Ari continued to write. Her words became a source of comfort for those navigating their own hardships. Through poignant essays and heartfelt stories, she explored themes of resilience, acceptance, and the beauty found in life's imperfections. Ari's influence expanded further when a renowned filmmaker stumbled upon one of her essays. Intrigued by her story, the filmmaker approached Ari with the idea of turning her journey into a documentary. Ari, initially hesitant, saw it as an opportunity to amplify her message of hope. The resulting film, titled Unbroken Pages, captured the essence of Ari's life, from her early struggles to her triumphant moments, creating a ripple effect of inspiration around the world. As Ari watched the documentary premiere, surrounded by friends, family, and fans, she reflected on the winding path that had brought her to this moment. The journey had been filled with highs and lows, yet each chapter had shaped her into the person she was meant to be. Ari's story didn't end with the credits of the documentary. Instead, it became a living narrative, evolving with each new challenge and triumph. The town that had witnessed her humble beginnings now celebrated her as a beacon of perseverance, reminding everyone that within the pages of every life, the story is never truly finished as long as one refuses to give up.